Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove phone number from Facebook. So in here, I've already opened my Facebook app, and let's just click on the photo profile at the top. Then go to the settings, click on this gear icon, and in here go to the personal details, and then find this personal details again. Click on that and click on this contact info. So as you guys can see here, this is my phone number, but I'm going to blur it so this doesn't get banned. And if you want to remove it, you can just click on this, and here there will be the options to delete numbers. So tap on that, and after that you can just click on delete again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.